Hey, Mike, how are you doing?
Hey Tom, I'm doing fine, thank you. How are you?
Good. I got a simple question for you today.
Uh-huh.
So I'm looking at your dispatch board or any of the screens, and it's hard for me to see some of the writing. Is there a simple way to increase the size of the writing on the dispatch board or any screen?
Yes, there is, and the same method applies to any screen that you look at. And the issue here really is that the browser you're using is set up to be this size. You can increase the font size very simply. If you press the Control key on your keyboard and then press the plus, then you'll see that gradually it will get it larger and larger font size so you can start to read some of the details that maybe you weren't seeing before. Now the
Okay.
reverse is true. If you press Control and then minus, you will see you'll step down the size gradually. Is that what you're looking for, Tom?
That's exactly got it. Thank you, Mike.
You're welcome.